Boy, I'm going from rags to riches here. I got a 2014 QX70 here. I got to do a battery, and I thought, hey, I'm not going to do a video on this because it's just a battery, right? No big deal. Who needs to do a video on a battery? Well, this one's kind of funky, so now that I got it all apart, I'm going to do a video. I'm not going to show you how to take it apart. I'm going to show you how to put it back together. I hooked a battery charger up to this just so I wouldn't lose any memory. You might not want to do that because you got to be really careful, because this positive terminal cannot touch any grounds. If you want to be brave and do it, you can. I put the battery charger end on here, and I actually black taped it down because there's metal right here, and I don't want anything touching. And I buried the ground down on the block somewhere, so it's not up here getting in my way. I got a battery blanket here I can't use. This was around the battery. I can't use the thing because the battery I got's too big for it, but it's the one that calls for it. It's supposed to fit. When you take it out, just do everything in reverse. So the last thing you do is take the battery out. Yeah, that thing was touching. It was touching that ground when I did it. Got some little caps here I want to take off. You always put the positive end on first. These are 10 millimeters. I like to get this nut real nice and loose, and then I'll open the center up so I can get this down as much as I possibly can. It's down all the way. If you see any corrosion on these, this is corrosion free because it's a nice new car, but if there's any corrosion on your terminal ends, it's a good idea to get like some baking soda and water and either soak them or just scrub it with like an old toothbrush and baking soda and water, and that'll neutralize all the acid and all of the corrosion on the terminal. You don't need to get them super tight, you know, just so it doesn't wiggle back and forth. That's all you need to do. Then put the negative on last. Same deal here. I'm going to loosen this up because I think I can get this down on there farther. Yeah, that's all the way. Okay, that's good and tight. Now I'm going to ever so carefully take this charger off. Come on, charger. Okay, I'll take the negative off first. Oops, negative first. There. Then you got this battery hold down. You got one short little thingy that goes on the back and a long one that goes on the front. There's a little hole back here with a bracket on it. I'm going to stab it in there and I don't know, get it kind of finger snug so it doesn't fall out on you. That's good for now. Same with this front one. There's a little hole in here. Goes on the inside. Screw that one down. 10 millimeters on this. You don't need to get those super tight either, just so the battery doesn't wiggle around. Wiggles a little. That's fine though. It's going to wiggle a little. It's dandy. Put these back on. It actually broke in two pieces. It was busted like that when I got it. I didn't do it. Okay, now you got this thing. There's a big piece of wiper cowl. There's two tabs here and here that go in these grooves. And then this slides in like so. And these clip in like so. There's a little There's a little piece of rubber here that's got some little tabs you push in on the inside, and you can pop those out. And there, it's in there. Then you got this piece of weather stripping you got to pull off. Put that back down. Then you got these clips everywhere. And what you do with these is when they're in, you can just, on these particular ones, you can just get in here with a screwdriver and you pop these buttons up like that, and then you can take them out. So there's one here you're going to want to put in, and then there's one here too, but I think this cover's got to go on. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, this one here. And then this cover goes on here. There's little this just snaps in. There's one little panel popper thing right here. So you stick this in and line it up. Line this up with the hole and pop it in. And then put all your other clips in. Or take all your other clips out. And then you got a cover that says battery. Put that back on. And there, that's a battery job. Okay, bye.